Josh make that head sound, baby. She sound.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Maniola here with another video for you guys today. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this new method that I learned from Crowns and Lashes on Instagram. I'm going to put her information in the description box so you guys follow her. It's called the watercolor method, and I know a lot of people have been doing it lately, but I learned it from her. So I'm just going to show you guys like how I'm going to do the watercolor method for this fall orange beautiful hair color, and this hair is from her imports, and it started out as a brown, and I'm gonna do like different variants in the hair because I don't just want it to be one orange. I want it to have different hues in it. So I bleached some of them lighter than the other ones, and you guys will be able to see that throughout the video. So throughout the video I'll be talking throughout some parts, and some parts I'm just gonna let you guys watch what I'm doing. Like now, I'm just gonna let you guys watch how I bleach this hair, and then I'll explain to you guys what I'm doing when I begin to color the hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. Tell me what kind of video you guys want to see from me for the remainder of the year. Thanks guys, love you guys. So right here when I flip the hair I just bleached, you can see that some parts aren't bleached, and I actually really like that for this specific dye process because I didn't want every single strand to be the same color of bleach or the same color of blonde. I wanted it to be like variants, like I said before. So I liked when I did that just to give me a little bit like a highlight method. And then for some of my other tracks that I bleached in the same video, I just flipped the pieces up and bleached what I wanted to bleach, and then left it for like 3-4 minutes, and then I put some more bleach on the pieces I didn't bleach prior, just to give it like a highlight effect and not to make the orange come out all the same, because I end up using two colors in the watercolor method.
Josh make that head sound, baby.
So right here you see what I came out with for one strip of hair that I did. So you can see that it's a lighter blonde, and you can see this one is a darker brownish blonde, and I wanted that effect so I can, when I put the tracks together, that they'll just, you know, mesh in with each other and look very highlighted. I really like that look. So this is how the boiling water just starts. So I boiled some water prior to it, and I just dumped it in this pink bowl, and the colors I'm using are Cajun Spice and French Cognac. I dumped the entire content of the Cajun Spice into the water, the boiling hot water, and I mean boiling hot water. And then I just poured maybe 1/4 of the content of the French Cognac into it, because French Cognac is really, really light. It's a very light orange, almost would wear. So I only poured like 1/4 of the contents into it. Then I just mixed it with this plastic spoon that I don't use, and you can see the water has changed completely. And I just start dumping the contents of the weave into the bowl, and you start to see like the bowl itself is changing color. So I just use the bowl I don't need, and I just put all the track pieces into it, and you guys will see what I end up with. And I literally only leave it in there for about 4 minutes, 3 minutes max. And the reason why I love this method even more is because I don't have to use a whole bunch of hair dye to achieve this beautiful orange fall festive hair look. Like, it looks so good. And I didn't have to do much to do it either. I didn't get my hands dirty, my clothes dirty, and it was very simple. And you can literally use this stuff you have at home. Just get hair dye. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a blessed one.